Hello children, hope you all are fine and safe in your homes. Okay, so in today's class, we are going to discuss Rumpelstiltskin lessons, lesson question answers and grammar part, whatever is there in the book. Okay, so I hope you have learned the chapter and you understood what it is, and I hope you are reading it. Okay, we'll just revise first the chapter and then we'll go to hard words, question answers and whatever is there in this lesson. Okay, so children, so before starting the class, what you have to do? Yeah, sit in a comfortable position, don't bend your back, make sure you have your textbook and one notebook, 4-line notebook, your notebook with you and whatever you want for the video class, and be away from all kinds of sounds and disturbances. Okay, and after that, meditation. So close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Do this for 2 minutes and this improves your focus, isn't it? Yeah. So after that we'll start the class, children. So before going to the hard words, we'll revise the chapter. So what is the chapter name? Rumpelstiltskin, isn't it? It's unique name, isn't it? It's a name of that little man. Okay. So Rumpelstiltskin is a chapter name. So how the chapter will start up, children? Okay. So once there was a miller. So he had a beautiful daughter, isn't it? There was a miller who has a beautiful daughter, and one day what happened? The king was passing by, and he saw and he sees the miller, and he asks, "What you do?" So he says that my work is I am a miller, and he lied. What he is going to lie about his daughter, children? He lies that his daughter can turn straw into gold by spinning, isn't it? Yeah. So this by listening this, king obviously he was surprised by this, and what he does, he tells the miller to bring his daughter the next day, and I'll just see how she will do it. If she don't do, she'll be in a trouble, because saying lie is a punishment, isn't it? So he said lie, but punishment will get to daughter, isn't it, children? So they tell the next morning and fed the king, and he went back. So next morning, miller brought his daughter to king, and they put her in a room which is full of straw, and a spinning wheel was there, and the king tells the girl to just turn into gold until I come back. Okay, and here the girl started to cry because she don't know to do. Her father has told lie to king, but she don't know to do that. How can you convert a straw? You have seen a straw, no? Straw is nothing but the thin, long structure. It comes after you remove wheat from that, isn't it? I have shown you the picture last class. Okay, you can't turn a wheat straw into gold. It is not possible. So she started to cry what to do. Okay. And at that time, a little man came to her for help. But he helped only after when she gave something to him, isn't it? So he was ready to help and asked the girl that what she can give. And she told that she'll give her necklace first. So she agreed to give the necklace and she gave it, and the little man turned straw into gold. So the next moment the king came and he was so happy to see. He was pleased, but he was greedy. It was not enough for him, and he took the daughter. He took the miller's daughter. That means he took that little girl. He took the girl to a bigger. Okay, children, so I'll tell you clearly that he took that girl to a larger room. It was filled with straw, and again he told convert this into gold. So actually what happens, first necklace she'll give off, and after that again she was put in a larger room. She don't know to do it. She started to cry again. So finally the little man came, and again he told that give me your ring, gold ring, then I can turn the straw into gold. So she agreed and she gave the ring to the little man. So now again the king came and he was so happy, he was so amazed, and he was greedy. Again he was too greedy for that. So what he did, he put the girl to a hall. Okay, first was a normal room, small room. Next it was a large room. Now it is a big hall itself. So he gave a big haul to that girl, and he told to convert to straw to gold by spinning. So this was the thing what king said now. So again she started to cry, what to do, she don't know. And again the little man came, the third time he came, and the girl will say, I don't have anything to give to you. Okay, so at that time the little man will tell, when you become queen, you have to give your first child to me. When you become queen and you marry, you have to give your first child to me. This was the agreement what they do. Okay, and she very upsetly she'll agree, and he will turn the hall full of straw into gold, and he will go. And after that she became queen, she got married, and when she had a first baby, at that time he came. Who came? The little man, because there was an agreement, isn't it? So little man came to ask for a baby. Now the queen, the girl who was there, she started to cry. I am rich now, you can take anything from me, don't take my child. Because queen is nothing but she is very rich, you know, she can give anything to him. Yeah, so much of gold or so much of money she can give. But she don't want to give her baby, isn't it? Who will give their baby? Nobody will give. So she started to cry and convince, and she was crying loudly like, please don't take, and you can take anything else. But little man did not agree, because it was an agreement, they made it, he want the baby. Then what happened? Again, when she was requesting, the little man will say, if you find my name in 3 days, okay, then you can keep your baby. This was the agreement, isn't it? So again they changed the thing, and he said that if you tell my name in 3 days, you can keep your baby. So this was the thing. Again, what happened after that? Yeah, the first day he came and he asked, tell the name, and the girl started to tell it. The different names she started, like how Abe, Barthomeo, Casimir, Dio, like this she was telling names. And the little man very angry said no. He was so angry and he screamed, no, wrong, it's wrong, and he was telling like that, and all wrong he said. And next day he came again, and next day she said some name, and the man shouted no, and he went. And now the third day, the last day, if she don't guess the name, he will take the baby away, isn't it? So one messenger of queen came to her, and he said that the little man was singing a song. Okay, so what was that song, children? Oh what a shame, oh what a shame, she does not know Rumpelstiltskin is my name. So this is what the song he was singing. In that song only he is telling his name. So a messenger heard it, and he came and said to queen. Now queen is very happy. Next day, as soon as the little man came, she said Rumpelstiltskin, and the little man stamped his leg to the floor, and he got angry that he didn't get the baby. As per what he said, she told the name within 3 days, and he went away and he never came back. Okay, this was the story, children. Okay, yeah, hope you remember it a little bit. Okay, children, so now we'll see hard words. Okay, so first word is miller, M-I-L-L-E-R, miller. So these words will come under the question answers. Okay, M-I-L-L-E-R, miller, M-I-L-L-E-R, miller. Then next word is daughter, D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, daughter, D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, daughter. Next, spin, straw, S-P-I-N, spin, S-T-R-A-W, straw, spin, straw. Then necklace, N-I-C-K, necklace, L-A-C, lace, necklace. Okay, because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because, miller, daughter, spin, straw, necklace, because. Okay, now we will see question answers. Okay, children, so answer the following. Who did the king meet? First question is, who did the king meet? Okay, so in the starting of the lesson only, you will come to know. So, who did the king meet? First, the king met a miller, isn't it? The king met a miller. So, simple. Who did? So, you should repeat. Who did the king meet? The king met. Here meet will convert to met because it's a past tense. Okay. So I'll teach you tenses also in grammar. The king met a miller. A miller. Who did he met? A miller, isn't it? A miller. M-I-L-L-E-R. Miller. Then full stop. Okay. What lie did Miller tell? What lie did Miller tell? The miller lied. What lie did he tell, children? The miller lied that his daughter could spin straw into a gold. His daughter could spin straw into a gold. Are you getting? Yes. The miller lied that his daughter could spin straw into a gold. G-O-L-D, gold. Isn't it? One more time. The miller lied. It's in the question that his daughter. You know the spelling for daughter? D-A-U-G-H-T-R. Daughter could. C-O-U-L-D. Could spin. S-P-I-N. Spin. Straw. S-T-A-S-T-R-A-W. Straw. Into a gold. G-O-L-D. Gold. Are you getting? So the first question is, who did the king meet? The king met a miller. Next, what lie did Miller tell? The miller lied that his daughter could spin straw into a gold. Okay? Next, we'll see. Okay, so let's see the third one. The third one is, what did the miller's daughter give to the little man? Okay, while the little man was helping, what did she give? You should tell me. Okay, what did the miller's daughter say? What did the miller's daughter give to the little man? Give to the little man. The girl gave. Girl is who? The miller's daughter. Okay. The girl gave the little man her necklace and her ring. Her necklace and her ring. She gave her necklace and her ring. The girl gave. You should tell me. The girl gave the little man her necklace and her ring. Okay. Next, you know the spelling for necklace? N-A-C-K-L-A-C-E. Necklace. Ring. R-I-G. Ring. How did the little man help the miller's daughter? How did the little man help the miller's daughter? By spinning straw into gold. See children, in this answer you can write the whole sentence, but this is the main answer. I have made it short for you. Okay, you can write the little man helped the miller's daughter by spinning straw into gold. You can write like this also, but to shorten the answer I just wrote by spinning straw into gold. How did he help the miller's daughter? By spinning straw into gold. So you know the spelling for straw and gold and spinning also, isn't it? Okay, repeat. What did the miller's daughter give to the little man? The girl gave the little man her necklace and her ring. How did the little man help the miller's daughter? By spinning straw into gold. You can pause the video and you can take down in your notebook. Okay, we'll see the next main. Okay children, so now we'll see the another main, that is choose the correct word from the brackets. Okay, they have given the answers in brackets. You have to choose the correct word. The king dashed the girl to a room full of straw. So the king dash was showed. The king showed the girl to a room full of straw. Okay, showed, isn't it? The correct answer is showed. Are you getting? Next, he told her to dash the straw and left. Okay, spoon, spin, span. Which is the correct answer? Spin. Okay, so write it down. Spin. Next. The king's eyes twinkled with dash. Greedy, greed. So the eyes twinkled with greed. So he was greedy, isn't it, children? It was not at all enough for him. Whatever the girl was turning to the straw into gold, he want more and more, isn't it? Next. When he came the next day, she dashed out names. Singing, sang, sung. So she sang out the names when he came first day, the little man, isn't it? Are you getting? Yeah. So you can write it on your textbook also, no problem. So this is the answers for that. Okay, children, this one and this one. Okay, children. So here is a small activity for you. Okay, how many? Answer these questions. How many are the using that how many, the questions are framed here. You should answer that. Okay, there's a picture to help you. How many arms have you got? Okay, they are not asking everyone's. Okay, how many arms have you got? How many arms, how many hands do you have, children? 2, isn't it? You have to write 2. How many legs have 4 boys got? How many legs do they have? There are 4 boys standing here, isn't it? How many legs do they have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are totally 8 legs, isn't it, children? Next, how many wheels has a jeep got? So how many wheels does a jeep have, children? How many wheels? 4 wheels, isn't it? Next, how many days are there in a week? It's very easy for you. How many days are there in a week? 7. Yes. Next, how many days are there in January? Tell me, how many days are there in January? 31, isn't it? There are 31 days in January, isn't it, children? It's just a small activity for you. I hope that I have given the question answers and fill in the blanks. That choosing from the bracket, I hope you will learn it in your home and be practicing this lesson also. Okay, you should know to read. It's very important, and you know the story little bit. What's the story? Lesson name? Rumpelstiltskin, isn't it, children? So you should have to read the chapter and take down the question answers in your notebook, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thank you.